About HVAC design. 1. What is the purpose of the HVAC system? 2. What are the heating and cooling loads of the building? 3. What type of HVAC system is best suited for the building? 4. How can the HVAC system be designed to be energy efficient and sustainable? 5. How can the HVAC system be designed to provide optimal indoor air quality? These questions are important to consider because they will have a significant impact on the performance, cost, and environmental impact of the HVAC system. 1. What is the purpose of the HVAC system? The first step in designing an HVAC system is to understand its purpose. Is the system needed to provide heating and cooling, ventilation, or both? The purpose of the system will determine the type of equipment and controls that are required. 2. What are the heating and cooling loads of the building? The heating and cooling loads of the building are the amount of heat that needs to be removed or added to maintain a comfortable temperature. These loads are influenced by a number of factors, including the size and type of building, the insulation level, the climate, and the occupancy patterns. 3. What type of HVAC system is best suited for the building? There are a variety of different types of HVAC systems available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The best type of system for a particular building will depend on a number of factors, including the size and type of building, the heating and cooling loads, the budget, and the desired level of comfort and control. 4. How can the HVAC system be designed to be energy efficient and sustainable? There are a number of ways to design an energy efficient and sustainable HVAC system. These include using energy efficient equipment, designing the system to minimize heat loss and gain, and using renewable energy sources to power the system. 5. How can the HVAC system be designed to provide optimal indoor air quality? Indoor air quality is an important factor in health and comfort. HVAC systems can help to improve indoor air quality by filtering out pollutants and providing fresh air ventilation. In addition to these top 5 questions, there are a number of other important factors to consider when designing an HVAC system, such as the budget, the noise level, and the aesthetic appearance. It is important to work with a qualified HVAC engineer to design a system that meets the specific needs of the building and its occupants. Please check the description for much more.